Hey, I'm Mike Glide and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna talk about photography, and specifically I'm gonna review this thing which called LOUPEDECK Plus. But first let me grab a coffee. Okay, that was good. Done a bit of work in Starbucks, and now let's talk about this. So first of all, what is LOUPEDECK Plus? Okay, it is almost like a keyboard, but it is not a keyboard. It is specifically designed for editing photos. So first of all, you can see there are loads and loads of buttons. And if you do photography, you probably know all those things that are written here. For example, there's contrast, clarity, shadows, highlights, vibrance, saturation, and so on. And also there are custom buttons. For example, this one is custom button, this one is custom button, and you can set them to like a vignette. Then you have your hue, saturation, luminance, and there are several colors here. You have the presets, so you can like have your black and white, vintage or whatever, you know. You have the control dial, so you can customize this as well. And there are other buttons. There's undo, redo. Actually, I love this button, which is screen mode. So you basically can work full screen mode. So without, you know, you just put the photo full screen and then you just adjust things. Do, and done. So let me actually show you how easy it is to use. So the first thing, obviously, you have to plug in the USB. And then obviously you open the Lightroom. And then it will say something like this. LOUPEDECK thinks you look great today. Okay, so I customized control dial to select the photo. So for example, if I'm on the next photo, I just do this, and it's really responsive. The contrast, so it responds really nicely without any lag. I mean, I edited this photo already, but you know, I can just show you what this thing does. So then you have your vibrance, and it reacts straight away. It's absolutely amazing. Then you have your saturation. Look, it's all works really nicely. You have the hue, saturation, luminance. Usually you have to scroll all the way to hue, saturation, luminance, and then you have to do this, and then for example you have the vignette. Where's the vignette? You have to find it and then adjust it. This way you just, you know, you just do it all here. Clarity, there you go. You see it reacts really fast. So let's just ruin this photo. Clarity up, contrast up, shadows, whatever, you know. It's so good. I'm like a DJ here. My favorite thing to do is go into screen mode. The picture goes full frame, and then you just do your thing. You just adjust it here, you know, while looking at the whole picture. I mean, obviously you have to get used to it, but once you're confident, you don't even have to look here. You just look at the photo and adjust what you need to adjust. There are alternatives to this. And actually you can get the music MIDI controller and customize like every single button. But what I like about this, it's really nicely laid out just to do the photos, and they actually thought of everything to work with the Lightroom. But with MIDI controller, it's gonna be just a random layout. So yeah, if you want to save money, then yeah, you get the MIDI controller. But if you want something a bit more fancy and works automatically with the Lightroom, then get this one. So yeah, you don't need it, but it makes life a bit more convenient. So yeah, if you want to know a bit more about this gadget, then click in the description below. That will take you to their website. So please do subscribe, like this video, share it with your friends, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.